even walk around without support. It makes a big difference in how your whole body feels.
You know, from the ground up, and that's what we began 50 years ago, that full body wellness. I always reference one of the first patients that I saw as a student, Temple University School of Podiatric Medicine.
At the end of the day. But, you know, I started this presentation. I stand by this. Yes, it's a really good price. You could get 2 for the price of 1. It's not that I don't care about the value. I do. I just think the value's secondary because, you know, I can't.
Well,
I got news for you. This looks like, oh, this is soft. Guess what? It's not giving me any orthotic support. It is a soft carpet on a wood-looking concrete floor.
Yeah.
So I think at this price, because truly it is
absorbing
each pair of jeans. But this, Carla, is this a silhouette you would approve of, the barrel? She approves. I feel like I should have hosted that menopause show because I am having a menopause moment. My friend AJ just came up to me and wanted to talk about a television show that I told him about. And AJ, I can't remember anything about the plot. I'm like, did I ever see that? He's like, you told me. Okay, so that means you get to be with me for the next 3 hours. Lucky you. Hi, everyone. I'm Sandra Bennett. Just relax.